Every paycheck, every opportunity, every investment will slip right through your fingers. But when your mind is trained to think in terms of growth, discipline, and abundance, wealth doesn't just visit you, it stays. Most people try to change their income without changing their mindset. But money is just an echo of your philosophy. Change your philosophy, and the numbers will follow. Let me tell you something that changed everything for me. Your mind is the real factory of your fortune. Before a single dollar ever lands in your bank account, it's been shaped, planned, and created in your thoughts. Most people think money begins with opportunity, but opportunity is useless if the mind is unprepared to see it. The truth is, you cannot have $1 million dream with a minimum wage mindset. The greatest asset you will ever own is not your business, your job, or even your time. It's your mind, because everything else flows from it. When I was young, I thought money was about luck. I thought some people were just born into the right families, had the right breaks, or were in the right places. But my mentor asked me one day, "What are you doing to prepare your mind for wealth?" I didn't even understand the question at first. Prepare my mind? I was trying to pay my bills. But then he explained, wealth is not created by circumstance, it's created by consciousness. The thoughts you hold most often determine the actions you take most consistently. And those actions, repeated long enough, create your results. You see, the poor mind thinks in terms of lack, what's missing, what's unfair, what's not possible. The wealthy mind thinks in terms of creation. What can I learn? What can I build? What's possible for me if I stay disciplined long enough? The poor mind waits for permission. The wealthy mind takes responsibility. If you can train your thoughts to focus on growth, not scarcity, you'll start to see opportunities that were invisible before. It's not that they weren't there, it's that your old beliefs blinded you from seeing them. That's why awareness is key. You must know what you believe about money before you can change it. Write them down. Every thought that begins with, I can't, or I'm not, or it's too late. Then challenge each one. Replace it with a new truth. I can learn. I can start small. I can grow. When I began this process, my financial situation didn't change overnight, but my thinking did. And once your thinking changes, your habits follow. Your habits shape your future. Each morning, I want you to spend just 10 minutes visualizing financial freedom, not as a fantasy, but as a plan in motion. Imagine what it feels like to live without fear, to have choices, to give generously. Let that feeling pull you forward. Surround yourself with people who make wealth feel possible, not impossible. You'll find that their mindset.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to tonight's presentation of Rain BNB. From wherever you are in the world, my name is Johan Botha. I'm here from South Africa. So I'm just going to start screen sharing and then we can get right into this presentation for tonight. We'll just close there and get into this here. So yes, welcome to this presentation of Rain BNB. If you are new here, please concentrate for the next 40 to 50 minutes. I'm going to try and keep it under 1 hour. So yes, there is a lot to discuss, but the main things we will cover here right in the beginning. So just a short introduction about what is RainBNB and where does it come from. So RainBNB is the next generation of RightBNB. The RightBNB platform was launched on the 7th of August 2024. So it's just more than 1 year already in existence. RainBNB was launched on the 16th of January 2025. So RainBNB, the difference is RainBNB has got more levels and more bonuses as well. So there's more features available in RainBNB. But RightBNB smart contract is still carrying on, still active as well. So both these platforms are smart contract driven directly from the blockchain, which no one can scam you for, and where you have absolutely zero risk involved as well. All right, so nobody can make any changes to these platforms. That is the main difference between RideBnB, RainBnB, and any other platform currently online worldwide. All right, and let's get into the details. But I must start with this warning that this is not a hype session. This is about facts and smart positioning. So we are also not financial advisors, and we do not give financial advice. But kindly take note that you are responsible for your own tax implications in your respective jurisdictions. So I must also warn you that this can change your financial situation dramatically if you implement the basic requirements only. You don't need to have any special knowledge, degrees, diplomas, any training to make a huge success of this and change your financial situation. Right, so that's just the basic disclaimer that I need to give to you. In South Africa, we must give that for any presentation concerning any financial institution. This is not financial advice once again. So why is RainBnB the best platform currently online? In a world of different opportunities, there's literally thousands of opportunities and new ones jumping up each and every day. Right? What sets RainBnB apart from all the others? Right? The main thing is that RainBnB is run not by people, it's run by the smart contract, where you can achieve extraordinary financial results with pure automated fairness. It's not managed by people, by a CEO or by a company. That is the main difference between this platform, and this is for every type of person on planet Earth. You just need to have an internet connection, a smart device, a smartphone, and basically that is it, and your registration fee. So registration starts from as low as $4, $4.50 when I looked earlier this afternoon. So yeah, it depends on the BNB price of the day or the value of the BNB. We will discuss all that also in detail, yeah. But let's first do some introspection and ask the million-dollar question. Do you want to fail in this life? You can answer that for yourself. Do you want to fail? Is there anybody that you know of that was born to fail in this life? The answer will always be no one wants to fail and nobody wants to fail. And you can answer that for yourself as well. But let's ask you this. And the second question, do you want to be rich and successful? You will put your hand up, you will say yes. There's nobody that does not want to be successful or rich or wealthy, let's put it that way. Everybody wants to succeed in this life. Nobody has been born or has been created to become a failure or to be a failure in this life. Right, but most people, when you think about success and wealth, you think about finances and money. First thing, if I am rich, I am successful. If I have money, I am wealthy. I'm successful. Right? We associated success and wealth with or being rich with money. So how can you achieve that if you haven't done that yet? RainBnB is one of the ways, or probably the best, most secure way for you to achieve that goals for you, financial goals, in the risk-free way and a scam-proof way, definitely. Right, but why are people not, if these platforms are available, why are people still struggling and just staying mediocre and average? These are the reasons for that. People, they lack a burning desire, they have a poor mindset, and they just give up too easily. The slightest niggle in the road or obstacle that they get, they just give up, or they complain and they just give up totally on that. They also miss opportunities and they will overthink and overanalyze the thing. They will listen to the next door neighbor and they will listen to YouTube reviews and they will be controlled by fear and negative people and naysayers. They will not do their own research. So use this presentation that we are doing currently right now as the research that you need to do. Because you will not find this on any review on YouTube. Because the reviewers on YouTube will not give you all the details. They are only looking for YouTube to pay them, and they will put up articles on YouTube to get more views to their channel so that YouTube can pay them more. And they're using clickbait, that's what we call it. They're using misinformation to get more people attracted to their channels. And they're using misinformation to get more people to click on their channels to increase their views so that YouTube can pay them more. So not everything that you find on YouTube is 100% correct. You will not find the information in this presentation on YouTube. I will upload it obviously afterwards, but you're not going to find this in a review of one of those people. All right, so research has shown that 97% of people remain average and only about 3% achieve wealth and success in their lifetime. So these 97% of people, they are part of these. The reasons they have a lack of burning desire, a poor mindset, they give up too easily, or they just miss opportunities. And there's also a lack of a genuine and a transparent system. And you will see that RainBnB is that system that people were looking for or searching for many, many years. Right? All of us have been scammed before in this industry. If you haven't been scammed before, then you probably have been born yesterday. So we cannot use that excuse as not to look at a new platform or another venture, especially in RainBnB. And you will see that it is basically impossible for you to get scammed in RainBnB, right? So if you have life goals, seek additional income, or aspire to achieve greatness, RainBnB is your answer. Now you're getting offered a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to generate exceptional income, whether you choose to work on it full-time or part-time. RainBnB uses cutting-edge 21st century technology, and it's a out-of-the-box business model, and it creates a win-win situation for everybody that is involved here. So please forget about all your previous experiences in this industry. If you have been scammed, I believe then you're part of most of the people on planet Earth. So most of us have been scammed. We have learned our lessons, and you will see the difference between this platform and the other platform. All right, so when you are looking to join the extra income opportunity, ask yourself the following questions. And use this as your research, as you plan to join RainBnB, or if you are in this and you plan to encourage or to introduce more people to this platform. Right, so first of all, your question you must ask yourself is, can the platform disappear? In the case of RainBnB, the answer is no, it cannot disappear. Why can it not disappear? Because as long as the internet exists on planet Earth and the blockchain operates, the smart contract of RainBnB will operate and it will be available. You only need the internet connection to operate in RainBnB. Right, I just want to get my laser pointer out here. The second question you need to ask yourself is, does the platform pay you instantly? In the case of RainBnB, the platform doesn't pay you instantly, it pays you immediately. Not tomorrow, not next week, now, immediately when you qualify. You're getting paid instantly, that same second when you qualify. Right? Not many platforms can claim that. The third question that you need to ask yourself, is the platform 100% decentralized? That is what we want. We don't want other people to control our money or to be in control of our money or to have access to our funds, to your funds. It's your funds. You must be in control of your own funds. Right? The case of RainBnB is the smart contract distributes all the transactions immediately to the qualified wallets of the members, and you are in control of your own money. Right, so there is no third party involved when it comes to handling the finances in RainBnB. The smart contract manages it for you, and it sends and distributes the money or the BNB immediately to your wallet. So nobody else has got access to your funds or controls any of your funds. You and the smart contract alone is in control. Right? It must give you full control of your own money. The smart contract manages all the payments directly to your wallet. So here's the truth. If you're serious about making real income, you must look for a platform that has the following three non-negotiable qualities. It must be 100% transparent, fully transparent. Nothing must be hidden. And you will see that in the case of RainBnB, I will show you later on, everything is available and it's transparent on the public blockchain smart contract for anybody to view from the public. Anyone can do an audit on the smart contract. Nothing is hidden from anybody there. Right? It's available to anyone. You don't need to have any special knowledge or skills or permissions or anything like that. Anyone with internet connection can do an audit on the smart contract. Everything is transparent and it's clear and visible there. Then the platform must be decentralized. There mustn't be an owner, and that eliminates the risk of the platform being shut down totally. We have been involved in platforms that they call it the rug pools, where they just close the doors suddenly and they run away with the money. In RainBnB, that is not possible because no one can shut down this smart contract. The only instance where that can happen is when the internet totally collapses and stops working. Right, so the chance of that happening is very, very slim. And even if that does happen, then we will have other things to worry about. And that the last thing on your mind will be to work on a smart contract. So the smart contract code manages everything here. It is run by smart contract code, not by empty promises of owners of platforms. Right? And then the third thing is it must be able to pay you instantly. You must not wait for your money. In RainBnB, the smart contract pays you immediately. You earn and you withdraw your money instantly, 24/7, 365 days a year. The smart contract does not sleep. It doesn't have any emotions. It doesn't know who it is paying to. It cannot be manipulated. Right? So if you can answer these 7 questions, this will be your research. And you can have peace of mind. And that will build your confidence to introduce more people to this platform. And you will also see for yourself as you learn the platform, how it works, that is going to increase your confidence much more. So then if you are tired about platforms that promises a lot and delivers nothing, then it's time to work with a system that is built to last. Here we work with the system and the smart contract. And that's the big difference between this platform of RainBnB and any other platform. The system is different. The operations of the system, it is not managed by or controlled by a website or a person, a human being. It's managed by the smart contract, by something, not somebody. All right, this will give you peace of mind where you can build and increase your income with total confidence. But I must warn you, it is for action takers only. You need to take action, and it's really not difficult. The action that you need to take. You're actually doing it on a daily basis, and you don't realize it already. Right, so the real question you actually need to ask yourself is, do you need extra income? The answer will always be yes. Then RainBnB is for you. That's the only question you actually need to ask and answer yourself. That question, that answer will never be no, because everybody needs income or extra income or full-time income. I haven't met one person that says that he doesn't need extra income. All right, so if you can answer yes to that question, then RainBnB is for you. We have all the tools available, all the support, all the guidance already at your disposal. You don't need to add anything, but everything is available within the platform. There is no central support. There is no company owner. There is no company head office or address where you can go to them or to the owners or the developers. This is a totally out of the box platform. It's totally different from any other platform worldwide, right? But you need to take the action. This is not a sit on a couch platform and you sit and wait for your money. You will need to do some minimum requirements which is required from you. And then there is nothing that can prevent you from getting paid if you meet those requirements only. And it's really very, very basic and very, very minimal. Right, so what is RainBnB actually? It is a pioneering community building platform on the OPBNB blockchain. It is not a company or a platform that can disappear, and the smart contract is verified. It's immutable, meaning it's unchangeable. No one can make any changes to this. Right? No one can stop this. No one can alter it. No one can delete anything. This smart contract runs 100% on the blockchain and is managed by the smart contract, which is connected to that blockchain. Right? So that means that nobody owns this platform. No one can make changes or hack it. Your money is safe in the smart contract. Right? All payments goes directly to the members. There is no third party involved, no middleman involved. And as the people always asked or taught me, always ask the question, where does the money go to? Who controls the money? That's the main thing. The answer in RainBnB is the smart contract controls the money. Right, you join, you register, and you pay a register of the once of 0.0044 BNB. That's around between $4 to $5, depending on the daily, the BNB value of the day. You refer a minimum of 2 others to unlock bigger and better bonuses and payments. That is the minimum requirement, ladies and gentlemen, the minimum requirement. I'm going to jump the gun here and I'm going to say that we are 8.2 billion people currently on planet Earth. And all 8.2 billion people are in need of extra income. And the minimum requirement for you to unlock bigger bonuses and payments in RainBnB is to refer a minimum of 2 out of the 8.2 billion people. Only 2. Who is also in need of extra income. All right, so that is going to unlock your income because that is the minimum requirement from the smart contract to start paying you when you do qualify. If you only have 1, you will not get paid. If you have 0, you will not get paid. It doesn't matter if you upgrade as high as you can, you will still need to refer a minimum of 2 others to unlock more payments and bonuses. Right, so out of 8.2 billion people worldwide, I believe it's not, well, it is not really difficult to refer a minimum of 2 others on your LinkedIn. Right, and that will unlock bigger payments that will go directly and instantly to your wallet when you qualify. So as your team grows, you unlock bigger levels and bonuses. And there are multiple income streams. We'll get to the compensation plan later on, and you'll see there's 6 ways of you getting paid. And that can set you up for financial freedom. If you concentrate, if you follow the basic requirements only. All right, but you need to be active to be rewarded. This is not a return on investment platform or an investment platform where you put in your money and you sit back and you wait for your returns to come or your profit to come. No. This is a community building platform, a global community building platform. Right, the internet has made the world very small in the last couple of years. So the chances that you are knowing other people in other countries you never knew before is very good. So you can refer any person to RainBnB as long as that person has got access to a Web3 wallet that supports OPBNB network and he's got an internet connection, obviously. Then anybody can join this platform. There is no age restriction. There's also no KYC involved here. Nobody has to declare anything here or register any personal details. You don't use any email address, name, telephone number, or anything like that to register in this platform. Right, everything is visible and it's verified and it's public on the blockchain. It's code that is verified and public on the blockchain. So what sets RainBnB apart from others, from the rest? The main thing, as I said before, is the blockchain income. It is not driven by a website or by an owner or a company. This is totally different. It's in a class of its own. Right? Many members still cannot understand it or grasp the idea that there is no owner involved here. Then they think it's something fishy and they don't trust it. But that is actually the main reason why it is more trustworthy, or actually trustless. You don't need to trust anybody here. The smart contract is to be trusted. And that's the word that you need to learn. Trustless. This smart contract is trustless. You don't need to trust anybody in this smart contract. Right, so that's the main difference, but sets RainB apart from other platforms is it's managed and run by the blockchain, by the smart contract. Right, it eliminates human control totally. There is no human control or interference in this platform. Everything is run and automated by the blockchain. What I can also mention is that no member has been scammed or lost their own money since the launch of RIDE or RainBNB. Right, it is impossible to be scammed in this platform. Who or what does members trust in RainBNB? As I said before, you do not trust any person or a company. In almost every traditional system, you're asked to trust a company to manage your money, an admin to release your payment, a website for you to stay online. That is not needed or a leader or a founder to stay on it with the money. That is not needed in RainBNB. None of that exists here. There is no admin, there is no support, no office, no central person, no CEO. There is no central wallet that holds all the money. And you'll see that there is no money in the smart contract also that can be stolen. I will take you there and I will show you that. There is no authority that can touch or delay your funds. Right, so there's nothing that can prevent you from getting paid when you meet the basic requirements. No one can get hold of your money or stop your money, stop any payments that must go to you. Right, so you are not trusting someone, you are trusting something, and that something is the smart contract. But let's first look at the vision and the mission of RainBNB. So the mission is to become or to empower and to unite individuals through a decentralized community building platform by using smart contracts. And the vision is to be the leading platform by making use of a decentralized ecosystem. And that is basically where we get to smart contracts. So the blockchain is digital record book shared worldwide where every entry is secure, transparent, and it cannot be changed. And then smart contracts are self-executing programs. Very important to understand this. Self-executing program. It's not managed by a person or somebody. The program, it's basically like a robot. It manages itself, it runs on its own. It's self-executing programs on the blockchain. All right? It automatically carries out the terms of an agreement when certain conditions are met. And I'll show you the codes, those are the conditions that I'm referring to. When those codes are met, you're getting paid instantly. There is nothing that can prevent you from getting paid if those codes are met. Right, so you're not trusting anybody, a middleman or third party or any person. So the smart contracts cannot be altered. And that makes them trustless, reliable, and scam-proof. So you might be not understanding the word trustless. It's basically in the cryptocurrency world, it means that there's no third party involved between you and your cryptocurrency transactions or your holdings. Right, that is the basic workings of RainBNB. I will get to the, let me go there, here it is. Let me just change this. I'll take you to the smart contract, and also this is what makes this platform 100% risk-free and 100% scam-free. Because there is no money on the smart contract, as you can see there. Let me take you and show you in real time. Excuse me for that. Right, so this is the smart contract of RainBNB ending with BC57. You will see that the balance is 0. It will always be 0. Right there you can see it. The smart contract was launched or created 333 days ago. So yes, it was right in the beginning of the year, in January Right, we can see that this is a very active smart contract. I'm just going to refresh it again. You can see that there's a person upgraded 16 seconds ago, upgrade to influencer rank. Then there was royalty claims, registration, more upgrades, more royalty claims and registration. So this is a very active smart contract for you to see. And this is in real time, ladies and gentlemen, real time. This is not yesterday or wishful thinking. This is not things that people are making up just to make it look good. This is real time, and you can go and actually check this and monitor and do audits on this in real time if you want to. 16 seconds ago, this member upgraded to the rank of influencer, which is your second rank. And let us see how the money is distributed in this smart contract. Okay, now it's 1 minute ago, obviously. Today, the 12th of December, 2025, and there is the time. It is UTC time. It is exactly 2 hours before now in South Africa. So yes, this is real time. So how do you get paid if there is no money on the smart contract? How do you make money in RainBnB? It's a question many people are wondering and asking about. So that person that upgraded, it came from, you can see from this wallet address. The money was sent to the smart contract to this address BC57, and then it was distributed to the qualifying person, which is this person here. That is also the inviter of this member. You can see he's got the same address. So that money was distributed immediately, instantly, to the qualifying member on the second level to receive that upgrade BNB. He also received the 10% direct referral commission, which is the 0.0006 BNB, which is 52 cents. Right, so that went also to him, and he received the upgrading bonus of $3.62, which is 0.00414 BNB. I want you to keep this in mind. We will get to the compensation plan later on in more details. Just keep this in mind. Excuse me. Right, and then there is 15 people that was paid for the 1.5% recurring level bonus if they are qualified. And that is this 0.00009 BNB for influencer rank. And 15 people, if they are qualified, will receive this. And in this case, it must be 13 people is qualified. Why do I say that? Because in every transaction, 5% goes to the bonus pool, which is this. This is the 5%, which is 26%. And also 5% goes to the developers or the creators fund. Now you can see that is 42 cents. That is why I know that somebody is not paid. It might be 2 people that is not qualified to receive the 1.5%. Then it goes to the creators fund. If people in the same structure is not qualified to receive the 1.5% bonus, it goes to the creators fund. So that's another reason for the owners or the developers not to scam anybody, because they are getting paid in every transaction in any case. Right, so besides the fact that there is no money on the smart contract as well, that nobody can steal. So this is how the money is distributed instantly to the members. So yes, you can see here's a breakdown. Everything is transparent. It's clear. There's a full breakdown of this one transaction, how the money gets distributed to the addresses, and you can go to these addresses and trace them. Let's do that and see. I can also go and find out who this person is or the position is. I can only see the user ID. I will not be able to see the name of the person because there is no personal details that you use to register on the smart contract. That is also a very important point to remember, because you will see that there is a flag here that says it's a phishing scam, but it's impossible for it to be a phishing scam because there is no personal details that is used to register in the smart contract. So this is a false flag that is being reported here, but it does not affect the working of the smart contract, as you can see. Let's just refresh it again. Right, 39 seconds ago, more people claimed royalty, more royalty. There was another registration after that upgrade as well. So you can see that this is real time. This is a very active smart contract. The people, the members that are claiming royalty is getting paid. That's what it means. They are claiming their royalties. Those are the members who are qualified to receive the royalty, the 24-hour daily royalty bonus. Right, we will get to the details and the qualifications for that a little bit later as well. But what I wanted to show you, we copied that address now. We're going to go here to the contract section. Keep in mind, these are the codes that I was referring to, the requirements that was being met. Then you're getting paid. You can see here, you cannot change anything here. So you can come and play around here. Don't worry. You won't be able to change or make any mistakes here. So come and learn for yourself. Come to the smart contract. I will show you how and where to get to it as well. But here you can see everything. You don't have to learn all these codes. Don't worry about that. On the contract section, you will find the code, and then you find the read contract section and also the write contract section. This gives you the assurance that it is totally not dependent on any website, because you can come and work here directly on a smart contract in the event of that there is no access to your Web3 wallet or through your Web3 wallet, the app. Right, so we're going to come to number 18. I copied that address and we're going to put in the address here. And we're going to press query. And there you can see that that is the user ID, 5584522. And if that is your ID, then congratulations. You have just upgraded, or you received the upgrade fund. And we're going to see more details and look at the transparency of this system, that everything is traceable here. Right there you can see that is the address of that user ID that is registered on the smart contract. That is the ID, his user ID, and that is the ID number of the person who referred him. And you can see that the upline is a different upline, because that means that is probably a spillover. It doesn't have the same upline and the same referrer. His referrer has got a different number from his upline. That means that he is a spillover that didn't land directly under his referrer. Right, but that doesn't matter. That actually is much better, because then he's helping his team to grow and to pay more members in the team as well. You will also see that there's only place for 2 people on each level below you. And his current rank, his level is achiever rank. So he's already got 7 members in his direct team, or his direct referrals. I mean, his 7 direct referrals, and his total team size is 40. You can also see that he paid this amount of BNB. Everything is transparent and it's visible on the blockchain here, as I said earlier on. He has paid 0.022 BNB so far since he has registered. Right, now let's just return there. Everything is traceable and it's visible here on the blockchain, members. Ladies and gentlemen, everything is visible. He is a receiver, and you can see that if we go to this address, we will see that he received that income, that internal transactions. And there we go. The 9 minutes ago, where he received the 0.00414 BNB, also the 1.5%, he also received it there. Right, you can also see that he referred, or he received all these other BNBs in his wallet. What else can we see? We can also see how much he did. Currently, his balance is $5.29, 0.006 BNB. That is his current balance at this moment. Right, so that is how transparent this system is. The main reason why nobody can scam you in this platform is there is no money to be scammed, that nobody can steal. So that makes this platform scam free and risk free as well. You cannot lose money here. That is very important to understand. You cannot lose money. When I say you cannot lose money, when you don't invest in RainBnB, you buy a package or you buy a position on the smart contract. You buy a position in the blockchain. Look at it as you're buying real estate on the blockchain, basically. You're buying a piece of land on the smart contract. And that piece of land cannot be destroyed, it cannot be deleted, it can only be built up and developed. And that will increase your potential income in BNB directly to your wallet. So many members, they misunderstand that they think they invest in the RainBnB and they want to get returns. There is a life-changing money to be made in RainBnB, yes, but you will need to do some action. Right, so here's more reasons for you to start your own business in RainBnB. Right now, as we said, the reason is that it's fully transparent or decentralized at least. Everything is recorded as I showed you there on the blockchain. Nothing is hidden. Although this is a community building platform, you do not need to build a big community. Most of us, we know at least two people that needs extra income. And they will know two people that needs extra income. Right? Most of the people we know, they have access to internet. They have access to a smart device. If they don't have a smartphone, they can work on a laptop or a computer, actually. All right, a tablet will also work. Yes, you only need to refer a minimum of 2 other people from the 8.2 billion people worldwide. And that is your minimum requirement. That will qualify you to receive more payments and bigger payments. Right, so you're not limited to any working hours because this is a global business. You can work from anywhere, at any time, at your leisure. This platform gives you total freedom. You decide how much BNB you want to earn and by when you want to earn it. You decide when you want to work, how long you want to work in it. So yes, you are also not dependent on any website, as you've seen that this is controlled and managed by the blockchain only, not a website. Right? No one can change the smart contract, not even the developers. You are your own boss and you don't need to hire any employees. You don't need to pay office space, office rent, anything like that. Basically, only overhead you will have is internet access at the end of the day. And your registration and upgrade fee that you start from at the beginning. All right, and from there you can earn an unlimited number of BNB, and we'll get to the compensation plan a little bit later as well. Right, so this is a business for a lifetime, and it's only dependent on the existence of the internet. That is going to be the deciding factor on how long this platform will last. Not a year or next year or 6 months down the road, then most members expect it to be collapsed or not there anymore. Many members did think that, and they cannot understand that it's already more than 1 year that these platforms are operating because they have become accustomed to a 2-3 month cycle, or maybe 6 month cycle, or maybe 1 year for a platform to last. But this platform cannot be shut down. There is no way on earth that this platform will be shut down or can shut down as long as the internet exists. Right, that is the basic requirement. There's also no monthly fees or any recurring fees ever. Once you have registered, your real estate is there on the blockchain. You cannot delete it. Nobody can change it or move it away. You can only upgrade it from there and develop it more. Right, so as I said, this is a business for a lifetime. You are your own boss. You don't need to hire employees. There's no recurring fees. Right, you only upgrade from there on. You don't have to pay any registration fee ever again. No upgrade fee to the next rank. You only pay it once. You upgrade as high as you can, and from there on, you just develop it. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the basics of this platform. Right. There's no physical products to sell or to ship around. The product in this platform is BNB in the form of digital currency. And that is BNB, and there's no need for you to worry about storage or logistical issue about ordering products and delivering products and all of those things. Right, so it makes this platform liability free. There's no liabilities here. You can decide where you want to work, how long you want to work. There's no targets for you to meet. You decide how much BNB do you need. You decide how long you're going to work on this platform, on the smart contract. Right? You set your own deadlines and your own targets for yourself. This platform is 100% transparent. Everything is recorded on the smart contract, as I showed you already. It's 100% the risk free. You can never ever lose your money. Remember this. Remember this. You can never lose your own money in here. That's why it's recommended that you register and you upgrade as high as you can, right from the start. And get your 2 people to do the same. And let them do the same. Right? But it's also possible to make a huge success of it, even if you just start with the minimum. But then you just need to follow the basic requirements and you will make a success. Right? It's legal in most countries. There's already more than 100 countries active in RainBnB. Right? Payments are sent instantly to your connected wallet. There's no need for you to make any withdrawal requests or to ask ever for your money. You and you alone are in control of your money. The smart contract manages it for you. It's 100% scam free, and the coin BNB is already an established cryptocurrency. It's among the 5th strongest or most popular cryptocurrencies worldwide. And we will actually go to CoinMarketCap as well. All right. The main reason for you to join RainBnB is because you want or you need extra income. That's the main reason, besides all the other features. The main reason is, as the first question there in the beginning, do you need extra income? That's actually the main or the only question you need to ask and reason to join. Do you want extra income? Yes. That must be the reason for you to join this platform, or because you want and you need extra income. So there is basically what you need. Let's just return to, I'm going to take it to CoinMarketCap, because the next, I need to take it to CoinMarketCap and show you the live data from BNB as well, because this is outdated. So let's just return there. Right, once again, this is the smart contract. The balance is always 0. Nobody can steal any funds here or manipulate the smart contract. Very active smart contract. There you can see 24 seconds ago there was the registration. There you see that the minimum is 0.0044 BNB, which is now $3.86. It's even under $4. $3.86. There's the live data now. But what I wanted to show you is take you to the current rankings and also the live market value of BNB. CoinMarketCap. Right. I encourage you to go and do this, play around on your own internet and read up and learn about this. You cannot break anything here. Don't worry about that. But yeah, all the live data is available to each and every person. And here you can see BNB is actually number 4 right at the moment. Trading at 877 US dollars for 1 BNB. Right, this BNB coin was launched in July of 2017, and then only it was 10 US dollar cents. So in that time, it has grown to over the all-time high is over $1,300. Just a couple of months ago, about 2 months ago, it reached its all-time high, but at the moment it's trading around $900 constantly the last couple of weeks. between $1,000 and $900. So yeah, it's just under 900 at the moment, but you can see that it's in the top five. So you get Bitcoin number one, then Ethereum, then USDT Tether, but that is a stable coin. So if you remove Tether, BNB is actually number three then, and then XRP, and then USDC and so on. Right, here you can see that it's number four, and if we go there, it's trading right now at this moment $876 US. When we joined in September last year, it was under $600, between $500 and $600 for one BNB. And at that time, the joining registration fee was $2.50, and sometimes even lower than that. Right, and have we made money in that time? Yes. That specific account has accumulated 13 BNB, but on all of the other accounts, we have earned, or myself has earned, in excess of 20 BNB. Right, but it is many members have earned in excess of 100 BNB, and that you can also go and trace right on the smart contract. When you have those user IDs, you can get everything is available, and you can see it on a smart contract. All right, so here is the live data of BNB. You can see that this is the current value, 876. Let's just look at the all-time growth. This is 2017, 0.14 when it started there, $14 cents in, that was the 8th of August 2017, right? And then it went to the all-time high here, 1,293, but actually the all-time high is 1,370 that it went to. But it is predicted that it can go to between 4,000 to 10,000 US dollars in the next 2 to 5 years. Right, so that is more about BNB. So you're not getting paid in a coin or a token that nobody has heard of. It's not a new thing that must first pick up value or must gain traction in the market. This is the among the fifth strongest or most popular cryptocurrencies worldwide. So this is the native coin of Binance itself. So here you can see that it was launched in 2017 of July 2017, and then it was $10 cents for one BNB. Today it's over almost $900 for one. They predicted that in this year it will reach an all-time high or $1,000. It already exceeded $1,000 in this year already. So this is another reason for you to join this platform. That is for you to accumulate as many or as much BNB as you possibly can, to hold it, because it will appreciate in market value as well, just like Bitcoin did the last 16 years already. Just imagine if you bought Bitcoin when it was launched, and most of us have heard all the stories, or most of us have had Bitcoin at some stage, and we were multi-millionaires and we didn't realize it. If we could have just held on to that, but we did not. Many people did not believe in it, and yes, if we did hold on to that, there was no reason for us to join any other platform because of the increase in the value of Bitcoin. It is over $100,000, so that it reached to $126,000 at one stage. And that is life-changing money for many people in any country worldwide. All right, so BNB is on the same path. So in the next 2 to 5 years, it's expected to reach between 4,000 to 10,000 US dollars. That means that you will accumulate the BNB in RainBNB, and you will hold it. Remember, the platform cannot disappear. You will always get consistent action and activity there on the smart contract, as you saw now. If you are in an active active team that keeps on working, that BNB of yours will increase, and it will accumulate much more. And it will also you will also achieve or accumulate the value of the rise in the value of BNB. Then you will also profit in that way as well. So yes, there's just a screenshot there. It was number 5, but you saw now it went to number 4. So they're using the OPBNB network. Why the OPBNB network? If you haven't heard about that, the OPBNB network is a layer 2 high performance network for the BNB Smart Chain, and it was developed for the gaming industry in 2023. It's to make transactions faster and to keep the transaction costs very low. Right, it can handle up to 10,000 transactions per second. So that is very, very fast, and believe me, it's extremely fast. And you do not wait for your money. That's why you're getting paid instantly the moment that you qualify. Right, so what sets Renminbi apart again? It's blockchain income that you can trust. No one can make changes to this. The blockchain is the only authority. The moment you qualify, BNB moves instantly to your wallet. Right, you don't ask for your money. There's no need for you to or to anybody to approve it. The smart contract delivers instantly when you qualify. Right, so every upgrade, every payment, every movement is publicly visible on the blockchain. There's nothing is hidden. Everything is transparent. It's clear. It's impossible to fake anything in this platform. You're not buying any fake coins or risky packages. I showed you. You're using BNB. And that is the product that you accumulate as well in this platform that has got real world asset value. So if you exchange one BNB today, right at this moment, you're going to get 867 or 876 US dollars right at this moment. Because that is the current value as we speak at this moment. This platform eliminates human control totally. And that eliminates the risk of the platform being shut down by pure blockchain automation. And simply put, Renminbi is light years ahead of any other platform worldwide. Right, so many misconceptions about Renminbi before we get to how you're getting paid or how the compensation plan works. These are things that we have picked up that members do not understand. So please concentrate on this next couple of questions. Most people don't understand smart contracts. As I said this already, they are used to a platform, must have an owner, there must be a central person in charge there, and they must deliver and answer all the questions and support everything. In the case of Renminbi, it's managed by the smart contract. There's no human control there. There's no support. The smart contract manages everything, and people don't understand it. They cannot get it into their heads. And then they think this platform is very risky, and what they actually don't understand is that eliminates all risk because there's no human beings involved there. There is zero risk involved. Right? It is just for you to need to understand how blockchain and smart contract works. Right? Because it's a totally new concept for most people. We also did not understand it right in the beginning, but as time went on and we attended training sessions and more presentations, we started to understand everything and how it works and everything, how it operates in Renminbi. All right, so that is exactly what makes this platform 100% risk-free because it is fully decentralized. And you don't want other people to control your money. Then another thing is people who have been burned, they've been scammed. And as I said also in the beginning, we all have been scammed. But they think that Renminbi, the same is going to happen to them. But I showed you there why you cannot be scammed, why there is no risk involved in this platform. That is just for you need to understand how the platform functions. And that will boost your confidence and will give you peace of mind that no one can steal the money here. And the platform cannot ever be shut down. The only chance that can happen is if the internet completely stops and collapses. Right, so no one can touch your money. All transactions are done and sent instantly to your wallet directly. Then people jump on YouTube and they do their research. I'm not saying do not do your research. Yes, you must do your research, but get this information from the right sources. Today you can get anything on YouTube, and any person can put anything on YouTube. And that is how many members or people on YouTubers are making the money from YouTube. They are full-time YouTubers. If you do not know how they work, you will believe every word that they say. It is funny that people do not know those people, but they believe everything that they say without doing their own research and without doing their own knowledge or using their own knowledge. How they are making money is they will put up a thumbnail, a picture a highlight that attracts your attention, like this picture here on the YouTube video. And that picture will say something like Remy is a scam or something just to attract your attention. And you will obviously go and out of curiosity click on that article and listen to it. And that's exactly what they want you to do because they want YouTube to pay them because they want more viewers to their channels. Every time you click on those reviews or those articles, they are getting more views to their channels, and then YouTube, the advertisers are paying YouTube for the number of views that they get to their channels because the advertisers are using their channels to advertise their products. And that's how they are getting paid. So that's basically just a clickbait, unethical way of making money, the YouTuber that is doing all these negative reviews. And they will use misinformation, they will use false information, and they will fabricate things that is not even close to the truth. They will say things like, RayMeMe is a gifting platform, and it's totally not a gifting platform. It is not an investment platform or a crypto gifting platform. It is totally not that. They will use false information which they know you do not know. They know you don't know and you don't understand. They also don't understand how the smart contract works, but they will not put that in their reviews because the negative reviews that get more attention and more views just naturally as human beings we are naturally inclined to look at negative things much more than we look at positive things. All right, but you need to get the right information at the right source. I'm not saying do not go and our videos is also uploaded on YouTube, all the official presentations, which you just need to find those channels. It is available there as well. So yes, that is how the online reviews work, and they don't understand how Web3 works, how smart contracts work, and that no one can shut them down. Right, then people are worried about not earning when they join RayMeMe. The other thing that there won't be any people left for them to introduce to this platform out of the 8.2 billion people worldwide, or they just think that they will never ever be able to do that. Right? Ladies and gentlemen, the chances of you not knowing two people that will be able to join you is very, very minimal. The only chance that will happen is if you stay on an island without any internet connection. Even if you stay alone on an island and you have a connection with the internet, you will be able to operate in RayMeMe. You just need to have excuse me, a wallet that will need to have OPBNB network. The chances of people not referring at least two other people and then you are in profit is very, very, very slim. From there, that's only your minimum requirement. Remember that. That's not the maximum. There is no limit that you can refer, but that is the minimum, is two people. All right. Remember I said there's no KYC involved in this platform or needed. And then people find it hard to believe that you can earn millions by starting small. But that has already been achieved and proven by many members worldwide since the start of RayMeMe and RightBNB. And many members have earned in excess of 100 BNB already. With one leader that we know of is earned in excess of 1,500 BNB in just under a year. Right, and that we can prove that on the blockchain, on the smart contract. It is not pitched or made up stories just to get people interested. No, everything is visible, it's traceable on the smart contract. Right, so you pay once, you never ever pay again a registration fee. There's no monthly cost ever. This is simple, it's smart, and it works if you take action. Very important. So what you actually need to do, you just need to speak to 2 other people, and most of us are doing that on a daily basis. All right. Let's just recap again before we get to the compensation plan. Why is this the best and really easy? This is 100% managed by the smart contract. There is no human control in Airbnb. The smart contract cannot be changed by anyone. There is no money. Once again, I must reiterate, no money is kept on the smart contract that can be stolen by anybody. The funds are 100% distributed instantly to the qualifying member. Right, and the developers also get a cut out of each and every transaction. There is no need for anyone to scam you. Right, this makes the platform 100% risk-free and 100% scam-free. So the following requirements, if you meet these following 3 requirements, that will basically guarantee that the smart contract will pay you, and there's nothing that can prevent you from getting paid. No issues. You will make money if you meet these following 3 requirements. This is as simple as falling out of a tree. 1, 2, 3. You register obviously with the link that the person who introduced you to this smart contract platform. You register with his or her link. You fund, you register, and you upgrade as high as you can. Then you refer a minimum of 2 other people with your link. And then you are set already for a lifetime. You have been qualified to receive unlimited number of BNB. From there on, you can just qualify to receive more bonuses and more payments. That is all that you had to do. You had to register, you had to refer a minimum of 2, and you had to upgrade as high as you can. You can upgrade from the money in the system, or you can upgrade from your pocket. Right, so do not overcomplicate this. And this has been proven by many members already, by myself, by most of our team members. We use the money in the system to upgrade as high as we can. And then we saw later on when we learned that there's a faster way. You join from the start, right from the beginning, you upgrade as high as you can. And we'll get to details about that as well. The reason for that is just you're going to earn much more BNB much faster. That's the main reason for doing that. But it is definitely possible to make a success if you start on beginner and use the funds by meeting the minimum requirements only. So how do you start now? Having all this knowledge about the platform and how secure it is and how scam-proof and risk-free it is. How do you make money? What do you need to do? All right, so for anybody to become successful in RainBnB, there's 4 things that you need to do. You need to first download a Web3 wallet, and we recommend that you use SafePal, but you can use any Web3 wallet as long as it supports the OPBNB network. Very, very important. And the very important step is you must write down your 12 words for each and every wallet and keep them in a safe place, because that is the only access that you have back into your wallet if something happens to your device. Right? Do not let those 12 words lie around. Keep them in a safe place. Do not take screenshots of it. Do not or take photos of it. Right? Most wallets don't allow you to take screenshots, but do not take photos and store them on your phone or your laptop or your email or whatever. If hackers get access to your devices, they can get access to your wallet with those 12 words. They won't need your password. Right, after that, you have set up your wallet with OPBNB. Right now, you fund it with a minimum requirement of 0.0044 BNB. Right, if you're just going to do the basic beginner registration, register with 0.0055 BNB or 441 BNB. The reason for that is just that little transaction fees. There's almost no transaction fees with OPBNB network, but it will need that 0.0044. It is less than 1, but just make it 1 because you're gonna confuse yourself if you're gonna get it to the exact number. Just to round it off, keep it 0.005 and you will have enough to upgrade to the next rank as well. But this is still the minimum for you to register. Right, register yourself and then you upgrade as high as you can with money from your own pocket, or you just refer more people and go through the motions and through the team building organically by using the money in the system. That is your choice. But obviously, how fast you want to make money, that's going to determine and be the deciding factor for you to decide how fast you're going to receive the money. So, what are the costs in RainBNB? And from beginner to all the levels, there are 15 levels or 15 ranks available in RainBNB. So, as I said, you buy yourself your piece of land. That's basically just your entry, your claim in the blockchain arena or blockchain space. That is your claim that you've staked now in the smart contract. That is your space there. You have registered now. Right now, you need to develop that property that you bought on the smart contract now. Your position in RainBNB. So you either decide now where you are going to upgrade to. The reason for upgrade, why do you want to upgrade? Do you want to upgrade because you want to increase the number of BNB that you can earn? All right, so obviously the higher that you upgrade, the more BNB that you can potentially earn because you're unlocking more levels and bigger payments. There are 15 levels, as I said already. Start at beginner, then influencer, achiever, ambassador, pioneer, mentor, champion, then director, titan, then we get to the royalty ranks. Here you start getting royalty rank payments already. From rank 10 to rank 15, which is icon, legend, emperor, conqueror, chancellor, and creator. Right, excuse me. So here are the costs involved from beginner to influencer, from beginner to achiever, from beginner to ambassador. We recommend, ladies and gentlemen, that you upgrade from the beginning. You bought your piece of real estate in RainBNB with the beginner package. You upgrade as high as you can, but not lower than ambassador. Whatever is possible for you at that moment in time. You can decide how much you want to put in. Obviously, the higher that you can afford, the more BNB you're going to unlock. I'm going to take you to the compensation plan or the breakdown of that very soon as well. So just know the higher that you upgrade, the more BNB, potential BNB you can earn. You will also qualify for all the other bonuses as well. There's much more benefits to upgrade as high as you can and rather just stay on beginner. But it's not impossible to make a success if you just stay on beginner and upgrade with the money that you generate in the system. Most of us have done it that way, but we have also learned that there's a faster way, a quicker way, or basically an easier way for everyone to upgrade as high as you can. And I will show you at the end what is the difference in starting on ambassador and starting on beginner. Right, so you decide where you want to come in here. Here's more reasons for you to upgrade. The main reason, you're going to maximize your earnings. You're going to accelerate to financial freedom much faster. You're going to reach it much faster. You're going to fully utilize the potential of the smart contract because it's there. It's there. It's for free. Nothing can prevent you from getting paid. The higher you upgrade, the more and bigger bonuses you unlock. So make use of it. It's there. There's nothing more that you have to qualify for or pay anything. If you upgrade, it's going to unlock bigger payments and bonuses. Right, so here are the 6 types of bonuses that are available in RainBnB. First of all, we got the 10% direct referral bonus from every person that you referred. We said that the minimum is to refer at least 2 other people with your link, but there is no limit to the number of people that you can refer. Why do we encourage people to refer more people than only 2? You don't want to stay minimum or minimal, and you want to earn as much BNB as you can. So if you refer 10 members already, you're going to receive 10 times 69%, and 10 times you're going to receive actually 79%, because you're going to receive 10% direct referral bonus plus you're going to receive 69% direct referral bonus from the package cost as well. And another reason for you to refer as many people as possible with your link is because you are going to refer, or you're going to receive 10% every time those directs upgrade. From all of their upgrades, if one direct of yours upgrades all the way to creator and you are on influencer only, you will receive 10.8 BNB from that one person. Imagine if you have 4, 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, and those people all upgrade. The more they upgrade, the more you're going to receive 10% every time that they upgrade. So the more people that you can refer, the more they will refer, the more they will upgrade, the more 10% you will receive each and every time that they upgrade. And if one of your directs upgrade all the way to greater, and you are just on the influencer rank, you don't even have to be on the same rank as they are. Because they are your direct referral, you just need to be on an influencer rank. You will receive 10.8 BNB from that one direct referral. And this is, as we saw today now, that is close to 10,000 US dollars from one direct referral. All right, so we recommend refer as many people as possible. Put yourself some goals, targets for yourself. First target, get in, get registered. Second target, get your 2, qualify, right? Then upgrade, or you can upgrade and then get your 2, doesn't matter. But set yourself some targets and some goals that you want to reach. It is possible for you to earn an unlimited number of BNB. Really life-changing money. Right? So the more you attend presentations and training sessions, the more you will come to know the system and how it works, and then you will see that even if you do refer 100 members with your link, you will receive 0.276 BNB. Remember, the BNB value always stays the same. The rand and the dollar value, it will always differ because it's on a daily basis that it differs, the value, market value. But you receive 69% of every direct referral bonus, of every direct member that you refer. So on the beginner package, the basic package cost, you're going to receive 0.00276 from every direct. That will give you 69% of their joining amount. So as someone else put it yesterday, that you basically earn 130% when you refer your first 2 people. That's what you earn already, 130%. Okay, it's actually 79%, so it's actually 140% that you earn when you refer your first 2 people. All right, so you earn that immediately. When you refer your first member, you're getting paid instantly. You're getting paid 10%, plus you're getting paid this 0.00276 BNB immediately. And then, but you're not qualified yet to receive more bonuses. When you refer your second person, you're qualified and you receive that also instantly. These payments. You need for the further upgrades, and this is why I need to take you to the Excel spreadsheet to show you the real-time value, because this was dated at 1,010 US dollars for one BNB. Right? No, this was. Yeah, 1,117 BME. Right, but it's gonna look the same. I just need to. I'll come back here to finish off, but for the this is where the biggest money is available in Rand BNB, and this is the upgrading bonus. You just need to sign in here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, as you saw, there was 15 ranks or 15 levels basically. Everything doubles as you upgrade in rank. So I don't know if we're going to be able to. Okay, but it is very close to what it is at the moment, 877. So yes, what we do see is that on your first rank or your first level, you have space for. There's only space for two positions under each member. I will show you that back in the presentation, but let's just continue here. So everything doubles. On your first level, you're going to have two members under you, and they're each going to pay you about $3.90. So you're going to make about $6, and you're going to use that to upgrade to the influencer rank. On your influencer rank, 4 people is going to pay you when they upgrade to influencer rank. And those are the 4 people on your second level. I will show you the levels on the PDF, on the PowerPoint. They are each going to pay you $3.60 when they upgrade. That is the 0.00414, which you also saw on the smart contract earlier on when I showed you that transaction. So beginner rank, you're going to make about $6 total profit. Nobody is here to make $6. We are here to make big money, more money, life-changing income. Right? You can decide whenever you want to have enough, earned enough money, and you want to say goodbye. You are more than welcome to do that. But if you want to stay on and earn and unlock up to 1.48 million BNB, you are welcome to do that. And remember, you're going to benefit from the income that you're getting here, and you're going to benefit from the market value that it increases as time goes by. That's also very important to remember that. Right on your third level, you're going to make a profit of $58, which is still not life-changing money. That's just under 1,000 Rand in South Africa. And then on your fourth level, here is where you are recommended to upgrade to ambassador rank. It's going to cost you in the region of, from the beginning, I'm going to talk in dollars. It's going to, where's dollars is this side. It's going to cost you $44 at this moment, around $44. So yes, that's what it's going to cost you from beginner to ambassador rank. But if you follow the from beginner rank and you're already on achiever rank, then it's only going to cost you $23 to upgrade from achiever to ambassador rank. So you decide how you want to do it, but you unlock 16 payments, and each one of those 16 payments is going to be around $14.5. And here already you're going to make $232 profit only on your ambassador rank. You're also still going to earn level 1, 2, and 3 plus level 4. So you're going to make a total of 312 or $311. That's just under 4,000 Rand in South Africa. So here you can see it's already, how much did you pay? You came in with beginner of about $4, $5, and you already made $300 now. If you chose that way, if you're coming from, even if you go right from the start, you upgrade with $44. You already unlock much 300 more than how many times? 6 times what you paid for it. I'm not sure how many exactly, but it's much more than you have taken out of your pocket. And that's if these people also come in with the same rank. Then you're going to see how fast and how quickly you're going to be able to upgrade as high as you can. And this is also what we do recommend for members. You use the money here to generate here. You're going to use money out of $311 you accumulated now. You're going to use $46 of that to upgrade to Pioneer. Now you unlock 32 payments of about $30, and that's going to give you close to 1,000 US dollars in BNB at this current value of BNB. Right, so you unlock on Pioneer rank $1,240 on rank or level 5, rank 5. Remember, rank and level means the same thing basically. So here you're going to use then $92. Remember I said everything doubles as you upgrade to the next level. So you can see 2 positions, then 4, then 8, then 16, 32, 64, 128, and so it carries on all the way to creator rank 32,768. But don't look at the big numbers. Just look at the next 2. Right? Otherwise you will get demotivated. Just focus on getting 2. That is all you need to do. Right? That will eventually get to bigger numbers. And there's no time limit. Nobody is looking over your shoulder. Nobody is pressurizing you. You only yourself decide how fast you want to reach these or earn these BNB. Right. So as you upgrade, you're going to use now $92. You upgrade to champion rank. And this is actually where you want to be on a champion rank, because here you're going to earn altogether from beginner to champion. You're going to earn 19.8 US dollars. But let's look at the BNB value. You're going to earn 22.6 BNB. Now you're going to use that to upgrade as high as you can to Emperor rank. And the Emperor rank is going from champion, you're going to upgrade Director, Titan, Icon, Legend, and Emperor. And that's going to cost you 13 BNB. You're still going to be left with 9 BNB. So in today's value, that's close to 9,000 US dollars. Right. Here you unlock unlimited already life-changing income. Depending on which country you are in. Even in America. How much can you do with 3 million US dollars? How much can you do with $1 million? That is life-changing money, people. On Icon rank alone, you're going to earn over 1 million US dollars. Right. But now remember, you upgraded to Emperor rank. So Emperor rank is going to be 16. This is Legend already is 5 million US dollars. Emperor rank 16.3 million US dollars at this moment. And here you're going to unlock an unlimited number of BNB. A huge amount of BNB, life-changing money. And what did you do? You spoke to 2 people. That's basically all that you did. You spoke to 2 people who are also needing extra income, just like you and myself and everybody else. Out of the 8.2 other billion people worldwide that is in need of extra income. And we have the perfect platform. No one can scam you here. There is absolutely no risk involved here. And as I've said to many people already, if you have the money or the BNB to upgrade all the way to creator rank, 108 BNB, you will never ever lose that. You can just develop it from there. You only need to refer a minimum of 2 other people. But you decide how far you want to upgrade right from the beginning. It is recommended that you upgrade at least not lower than ambassador rank. Right, let me return to, and here you can see you can earn 1.48 million BNB on one account. Right, people, this looks very far-fetched. Believe me, it's just numbers. Everything works exactly. This is managed by a smart contract. There's no gimmicks. There's no stories, no catches, nothing like that. This is smart contract automation, blockchain automation. No one can make any changes to this. The BNBs will stay the same exactly as they are recorded, yeah. This is the number of BNB that you will get. The only thing that will differ is the fiat currency value of the day. Obviously, the rand and the dollar value, that will differ. That differs on a daily basis. Right, but the BNB values, that will stay the same. These columns that you get, you're getting paid in, you're getting paid this, plus the number of positions that you're getting it paid from, that will never ever change. All right, so let's return. This is the upgrading bonus. This is the biggest bonus in RainBnB that you're getting paid from, which is the life-changing money, which has set many members already financially free in different countries worldwide in less than 1 year. All right, so what did they do? They just attended presentations just like this. They attended meetings and trainings, and they met the basic requirements only. And they believed in this platform. They understand that it is no human beings that can stop this thing. No human being can manipulate it. It is the smart contract that is operating and managing everything of this platform. Right, let's return to the PowerPoint. I'm almost finished with this presentation. And then you can get back to the person that invited you. So yes, you can see now how important it is to understand everything, that you need to understand how it works. Right, so we discussed the 69% upgrading bonus. Now we want to discuss how is the payments distributed. Here is how the matrix works and how the positions are distributed. Or when the people are registered, the smart contract places the positions. You cannot place them manually. You cannot decide where the position must go. But as I said, there's only place for 2 positions under each member, position 1 and position 2. All right, and then under them, it will be their position 1 and 2 and their position 1 and 2. And so it will carry on. But this forms your first level. And directly under is your first level. On your second level, that is your first level referrals, most probably. They can also be overspilled from an active upline, but those 4 people will form your second level. And they will pay you when they upgrade to the second rank of influencer. And this is shown in this picture here. So this is you at the top. Your first level, there's place for 2 positions. They will pay you when they register normally. They can also be overspill or spillover, but they will pay you, they will pay for the beginner rank, they will pay the inviter. If there is one spillover, it will pay the inviter, but when you refer your second person, you will still get paid the beginner package cost. So yes, and if that person falls on your second level, then you will also get paid the upgrading cost when he upgrades to influencer. That is what happened on that transaction that I showed you on the smart contract, because that referrer was paid the 10% and he was paid the influencer upgrade money. So that person that he referred or that upgraded was his direct, which fell on his second level, and that is exactly what I'm explaining to you now. That is why he received a 10% bonus and he received the upgrading bonus for influencer. Right, so that is a person that understands referring more people. As you saw on the smart contract, he has referred 7 direct referrals already. So when they all getting active and they refer their 2 people, they will form your second level, and when they upgrade to the rank of influencer, the second level payments goes up 2 levels. This is actually easy to remember. Level 1 payments goes up level 1 level. Level 2 payments goes up 2 levels to you. You need to be on that rank or higher to qualify. That's another reason for you to upgrade as high as you can right from the get-go, right from the start, so that you do not miss out on any payments when people upgrade below you. Right, so your third level payments You need to be on achiever rank yourself, and then the 8 people on your third level, when they upgrade to achiever rank, those level 3 payments will go up 3 levels to you. The same happens with level 4. The 16 people on your level 4 will pay you when they upgrade to the rank of ambassador. You need to be on ambassador rank or higher yourself. And then 16 people will pay you when each one upgrades, not all of them together. As they upgrade individually, they will pay you. And you will receive that money. And there's nothing that can prevent you from getting paid. The only requirement that you need to meet is to have referred at least 2 other people. And upgrade, of course. You need to be on that rank or higher. Right? And that is exactly how this smart contract works. If it's the first time you're looking at this, you probably need to have a look at it more than once to understand it exactly. But that is how this smart contract is paying out. And there's nothing that can make it to change or not to pay out. Right? You just need to meet the basic requirements. Even if you have referred 10 people, that it will still pay you exactly the same way. All right, but you need to refer a minimum of 2 others for the smart contract to pay you any other bonuses. So that doubles every rank that you upgrade. 32 people is going to pay you on pioneer rank. 64 people is going to pay you on mentor rank. 128 people is going to pay you on champion rank. And this is already where your life-changing money gets. In director rank, 256 people is going to pay you. Here in South Africa, you're going to earn from the director rank alone more than R1 million. So this is already your millionaires club from director rank. Right? But altogether, there's going to be much more than that. So you decide how much money you want to keep in there and how much money you want to use to withdraw to your bank, to use for daily living expenses or whatever you need it for. But it's always advisable to upgrade as high as you can first before you withdraw some money. But it's your money. You decide what you want to do with it. Just remember that the higher you upgrade, the more potential you have to earn in RMB. Now that brings us to the 1.5% recurring level bonus. And you remember on smart contract, I showed you there that 13 people that qualified to receive that small amount of BNB. Now 1.5% looks very small, and you think it's very little. It's like 8 cents on influencer. But over time, when it accumulates, it makes a huge difference. Most members who are qualified to receive this has already earned more than 1, 2, 3 BNB, even 5, even more than that, because of the power of this 1.5%. And if you have an active team, this small raindrop is going to become a huge ocean of BNB later on in your wallet, because it keeps just dropping into your wallet. 1.5% after 1.5% all the way until you reach an enormous amount of BNB. Right? People, to qualify to receive this bonus, you must have reached the following requirements. You must be on an influencer rank, which is the second rank, and you must have your 2 direct referrals. Only 2 must be on influencer rank as well. Even if you have 10 direct referrals, only 2 of them must be on influencer rank as well. Then you will receive 1.5% direct referral bonus from your second level to level 15. And this is working differently from the binary matrix. You can have an unlimited number of direct referrals. That will be your level 1. And when they refer people, that will be your level 2. And you will earn from these people if you are on influencer rank and you have 2 influencers or directs as influencers. Then you will earn 1.5% from everything that happens in your team then. And remember, you will receive 1.5% when they register, when they upgrade to all the other ranks after that as well. And 1.5% from beginner is bigger than 1.5%, always smaller than 1.5% from ambassador Pioneer Champion because it's going to increase every time that they upgrade to the higher ranks. You just need to be on that same rank or higher to receive it, but you will receive from your level 2 to level 15. You will still receive that. All right, the basic requirement, influencer rank yourself and have 2 directs as influencers. Most members upgrade immediately to influencer rank, at least. Right now, that brings us to the 5th bonus, that is the royalty bonus in RainBnB. You will remember I said that from your level 10 or rank 10, Icon, Legend, Emperor, Conqueror, Chancellor, Creator, those are the rank 10 to 15, the royalty ranks. Remember on the smart contract, there was 5% that went to the bonus pool, the daily bonus pool. So that 5% gets distributed in the following manner. 3.5% of that 5% is distributed in this manner. 1.1% goes to Icon, 1% goes to Legend, 0.6 goes to Emperor. Conqueror receives 0.4%, Chancellor 0.3%, and Creator 0.2%. Why is it getting less there? Because there's less members on those levels there. There is more Icons than there is Chancellors. There is more Legends than there are Creators. That is why the percentage here is bigger than the ones at the top. All right, but you claim this each and every day in your back office. As you remember, I showed you on the smart contract, royalty claims. Those are people that is qualified to claim royalty. To qualify for this, you need to be on an Icon rank at least, and you must have 2 directs as direct referrals. You still need to have 2 direct referrals. If you only upgrade to Icon rank and you refer 1 person, you're not going to qualify for this. You must refer a minimum of 2 others with your link and upgrade to Icon rank. Then you qualify, and from the next day you can claim your bonus. Right, so here is how it's broken down. Remember, 5% goes to the bonus pool each and every day, but only 3.5% goes to the bonus pool this way for the royalty bonus. The other 1.5% goes to the weekly lifestyle bonus. Come on. There we go. The other 1.5% of that 5% is distributed between these 5 clubs of the lifestyle rewards. There's 5 different clubs with each having their own criteria. Just on the royalty club, on the royalty bonus, you must be on that rank. You will only receive from the highest rank that you are. But on the lifestyle bonus, here you will receive from multiple clubs if you are qualified for them. So here you're having 5 clubs. The first one is the Prime Club, then Elite Club, then Royal Club, then Crown, and then the Supreme Club is the last club that you can earn from. So all of these qualifications you must have qualified after the 16th of January 2025. And it's only applicable up to Elite Club because after Elite Club, there's only the new ranks, which was not available previously in RateBnB. And the smart contract started on the 16th of January. So yes, to qualify for the Prime Club, and you will receive on a daily basis 0.5%, but that gets paid out to you weekly up until you receive $3,000 in BNB. And then this club will stop, this bonus will stop. But by that time, you will probably be upgraded to the next or qualified for the next rank. To qualify for this Prime Club, you must be on a director rank, that's rank 8. And you must have referred at least 5 direct referrals as champions, not champions in your team. It must be direct referrals. All of them must have qualified after 16th of January. Now, this you claim in your back office manually every week under the royalty and rewards tab. So once you receive $3,000 in BNB, this will stop. And then you qualify for the next rank or the next club. And also here you will receive 0.5% on a daily basis, which you claim weekly until you receive $25,000 in BNB. To qualify for this rank or this club, you need to be on a conqueror rank yourself and you must have preferred 3 directs as emperors. So here you must have referred 5 as champions, so 3 of those must be emperors. But refer as many people as possible as soon as you can, because you're going to need 10 here at the bottom. So you do not know who else is going to upgrade up until where. But let them all run with you and go with you. All right, Royal Club, you're going to receive 0.2% on a daily basis. This looks very small, people, but remember, at the end of the day, all of these small drops, they add up and they fill the ocean. These are BNB that you just claimed. Here you're going to receive at the Royal Club up until you receive $50,000 in BNB. You need to be on a Chancellor rank and must have 5 directs as conquerors. Right, so now you can qualify for the Crown Club, where you will receive 0.15% on a daily basis up until you receive $100,000 in BNB. And you need to be on a greater rank, rank 15 yourself, and you must have 7 directs as chancellors. Right, so you can see it. You're starting at 5, then 3, then 5, but you already have your 5, yeah? So here you just need 3 as emperors, then there's 5 again as conquerors, then 7, and then for your supreme club, you will need 10 directs as creators. You must be on a creator rank yourself. There is no higher rank of qualification in RainBnB than this supreme club. You need to be on a creator rank yourself, and you must have 10 directs as creators also. Here you will receive up to $500,000 US in BNB on this club alone. So remember, if you have qualified for the elite club, but the prime club is still not paid out the $3,000, you will still receive the $3,000 each and every week until those $3,000 are claimed, already claimed. Then when they are finished, then that prime club will stop only. But you can receive from multiple clubs here at the same time, unlike the royalty bonus where you only receive on the highest rank, not from multiple ranks on the royalty club. Right, so that brings us to the future roadmap of RainBnB. So we are waiting for more news about this. The planned programs that they are bringing out is a gaming token, gaming projects, exchanges, own blockchain, trading bot, and other Web3 projects, which we at this moment know that it is being postponed, has been paused, it is still coming. So yes, we were in the process of launching a new product in the umbrella of RainBnB and RideBnB. Also the same qualities, totally risk-free, totally scam-free, decentralized, excuse me. And yeah, but we will, in the short future, we shall know more about this. Also in January, we are told that there is something coming up. So yes, what the future holds is just what you can see here. We don't know much details about it yet, but what we know is that it's definitely coming from the same creators as that developed RideBnB and RainBnB. Not new programs or different programs, from the same umbrella as the ecosystem of RainBnB and RideBnB. Right, and as I said, I'll show you the difference between starting on beginner and starting on ambassador rank, higher ranks. I strongly recommend that you upgrade as high as you can possibly out of your own pocket right from the start after you register. Why do I say that? Here is the evidence. And here is also the question I know you're asking, do you really make money in RainBnB? Can you make money in RainBnB? Here is the undeniable evidence, which is also available on the blockchain, which no one can change. You cannot alter that. But here is screenshots. The 2 on the left started with beginner ranks in RideBnB last year, September, both of them. It took this one on the left 4 months to reach the Titan rank, which is rank 9. And it started with $2.50. It used the money from the system 1.5 BNB that it accumulated in the system. At that time, it earned 11.3 BNB, which translated to just under 7,000 US dollars. So it used the money in the system to upgrade to Titan rank in 4 months. This one as well, 7 months, it reached champion rank in 7 months. It started with $2.50. It accumulated $2,500 at that time, 4.2 BNB. It used the money in the system, generated in the system, to upgrade to champion rank, to unlock bigger payments. Right, so but here's the difference. These two accounts on the right started on ambassador rank. They all joined on this one was on the 1st of March. When this was registered, it earned, everybody joining this team with ambassador rank. At that time, ambassador package was $30. So it earned 1.9 BNB at that time. But now it's far over 2 MB, almost 3 BNB now. But it earned that money at that time, at the BNB value, it was over $1,000. It started with $30. All right, but you can see it used the money in the system, generated from the system again to upgrade to director rank in 14 days. Right, Titan rank is just one rank above director rank. So remember the day before this position upgraded to Titan, it was on director. So the difference is 4 months and 2 weeks. You must ask yourself the question, how fast do you want to earn and how much BNB do you want to earn? Do you want to earn it fast or do you want to take a long time to get there? Here you can see the difference. I prove it to you here. Much faster to upgrade, start from the beginning and upgrade as high as you can. You will earn much more. The money that generated in the system was used to upgrade to director rank. There was no other extra money put in out of our pockets. The only money that we put out of our pockets was to upgrade to ambassador rank. And the team all followed them the same way. This is in the same team. It took 4 days to reach mentor rank. And mentor is just one rank below champion. 4 days. On mentor, you can earn a lot of BNB already. Alone, only on mentor rank. I think 6.5 BNB. And that is $6,000. If it is not more. But yes, it is possible to do it and much faster to do it when you upgrade as high as you can. Right, so in conclusion, thanks for your time for tonight and let's just recap. RainBNB is a revolutionary blockchain-powered business engine. It's not controlled by any human beings, and that's what we want. It's fully decentralized. There is no human owner. There is no CEO that can manipulate or shut down the platform. Right, and that's what we want. We have the product which is in the biggest of demand worldwide, and that is money in the form of BNB, digital currency. We have the biggest market worldwide, 8.2 billion people, all in need of extra income. We have all the tools, all the support that is available to us to become financially independent. You only need to have internet connection and a smartphone and you can operate in RainBNB. So whatever you are doing at this moment, stop thinking and start doing. Right, get back to the person that invited you. And I have 2 questions that I want to leave you with. Ask yourself again, what is your why? Why are you here? What are you doing? And to reach and achieve your whys, you will need to have vitamin M. That is money, finances. Second question you need to ask, what are you waiting for? Now, even the Bible tells us that he who watches the wind, it does not sow. And he who looks at the clouds does not reap. So do not wait for the perfect and the right conditions because it will never happen. Don't look at excuses or look for excuses because you will find many if you're looking for them. The best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is right now. Stop procrastinating. Start taking action. You don't have to understand everything right from the start. None of us have understood it right from the start, but we didn't give up. We learned as we earned. So it's a platform where you earn as you learn. So yes, all of the support is available. I strongly recommend you get back to the person that invited you, even if this is the 100th time that you watched this presentation, but you haven't taken the action yet. Reach out to the person that invited you. Also, ask yourself the following questions. Where will you be in the short future from now if you start today? And also ask yourself, where will you be in the short future if you don't start today? Will you still be on the same place? Where do you want to be in the short future if you start today? What is the possibilities? I've shown you 1.48 million BNB. Even if you only achieve 10% of that, that's already life-changing money in most countries. So yes, people, get back to the person that invited you and stop delaying. Get in here as soon as possible. All of the support, all of the training is available in the system, in the community where you are already, even though there is no central support available. Right? Every moment that you delay is a missed opportunity. The sooner you act, the sooner you're going to start receiving payments, and it's going to start raining BNB into your wallet. So please get back to the person that invited you. Right? And also join our training sessions tomorrow night on the same link at the same time, and invite more of your team members and more of your people, prospects that you know that needs extra income in a risk-free and a scam-free way. So yes, I thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. If you do have any questions, please join us tomorrow night, or just raise your hand. Let me just see here. If there are any persons that want to ask any questions or have any uncertainty about something, if we cannot answer you, get back to the person that invited you or your upline. But yes, I thank you very much for your time. Please join us tomorrow on the same time, same link, and wherever you are in the world, good day, good afternoon, and good evening. And may the BNB just overtake you in your wallet and bless you out of your socks. Thank you very much. Good day. Bye-bye.